Good morning to each and everyone. For today's vlog episode 1 will show you my plant in our surrounding because last night it has a heavy rain and I really worried what is happening on my plant. After I woke up in the morning I decided to go out and see my plant outside. The first plant that I see is the jackfruit tree and I am very glad and happy that there are lots of fruit of my jackfruit tree. And I see another plant which is my tomatoes and when I look my tomatoes I really happy because there are many flowers that ready to give me vegetables. And there are lots of plant that I planted in our backyard so don't skip watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Lumad ni Bay. God is good all the time. Keep safe everyone.